my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice and I am the mother of 5 children. Yeah, that's a lot of kids to shop for Christmas. And then I have the toddler, so this is not including the toddler because she's over there and I can't pull her stuff out. Her stuff is right here and then in that trash bag over there. And yeah, so I'm gonna have to film her stuff separately and then you guys can check that out. So this is just for my older children, which I have 13-year-old twin boys. They turn 13 in November. I have an 11-year-old girl and I have a 7-year-old boy, and then my 3-year-old girl, toddler situation. So let's just jump on into the video so that this won't be like super duper long. So for every single Christmas I tried to give a family game to the kids, and this year I picked out this one that says I Want the Truth, because we love to play a lot of games as a family, and this one right here that says Deal or No Deal. And I got this big guy right here, Family 10 game set, and I believe it's like it's 10 different games. So you have chess, checkers, chess, checker, backgammon, I don't know, whatever that is, Mancala, whatever, I don't know, tic-tac-toe, a bunch of games. So I got that, and then I also got this one right here. It says Uncle Milton's Ant Farm game. So this is more geared towards my little one. And that's it for the games. I don't even know where to begin, so let's start with my daughter since her stuff is over here. So for her, she wanted slime. She's into a lot of slime. That's all that was on her list. So I got her this holographic slime gloop thing. And then I got her make your own slime. This situation, I don't know. So hopefully you guys can see because there's like a glare situation going on. So I got her that, and she's 11. And then I got her more slime. So this is the Nickelodeon slime, mint chocolate chip, very smooth. Yeah, you can make different things from that. And then I got her some bath situation here because she's 11 and she's into stuff like this, and she's messing with my stuff, so I figured why not get her her own little set. So it has what's in here? It has cherry vanilla shower gel, cherry vanilla body scrub. She got a hydrating butter, and then a bubble bath. And then she has a little loofah right here. I got her this little chill factor slushy cup situation. I don't know, I just picked it up. I thought it was cute. Most of the stuff I got because I thought it was cute. And then I got her this, which I'm most excited about because it's just a watch, and then it has headphones. I don't know what a headphone and watch have to do with each other, but yeah, I thought it was cute because of the color. I love the color. So I got her that. And then she's into unicorn, so I got her this little bright neon style light, sturdy construction, great in any room for her desk. Not her desk, her nightstand. So that's what I got her. And then she wanted, like I said, she's into a lot of bath stuff. I don't know. She wanted stuff where you can make your own bath bombs. So I got her this right here, and I picked this up from Target, I think. I don't even know where half this stuff is because I've been accumulating it for months now. And then I got her a little purse because she's like 11 now and she's like into my stuff, so I'm like, it's time to start giving her her own. So I got her this little gold crossbody situation, and it's just a crossbody little purse to get her started. And then I got her one LOL because they're all over my house now, and yeah, no. So I got her that little one because it was on her list, and I got her these because I got her this because she's into butterflies and stuff like that. The child is weird. So I saw it and I was like, custom cards. So I got her this little custom card. It's a plain card, but it's custom, so it has butterflies and all kinds of stuff. So it's like really pretty. So I was supposed to put that in her stocking, but no, I'm gonna give that to her as a gift. Next up is my before I forget, and then she's into drawing, like, so she likes to color. So I got her this aquatic coloring to calm yourself. So I got her that, and it just looks like this. How do I flip it so you guys can see? So it just looks like that. I hope you guys can see that. If not, I just blind a whole bunch of folks because the sun is like really bright in the sky right now, so my house is like extremely bright. So I'm sorry if there's a glare, but that's what that looks like. Yeah, and I got her the coloring pencil, but I stuck that in her stocking. And then I got her this one, Dream Takes Flight coloring book, and it's the same concept situation. So yeah, so that's my 11-year-old girl. So moving on to my 7-year-old boy, I got him a thing, a G.I. Joe. I don't know what this is. Don't ask me. Don't ask me. I saw it and it looked big, and I was like, yep, get it. So yeah, that's for my 7-year-old. He's still into, you know, boy stuff. Unlike my teenagers, where this is the first year I was like stumped because I don't know what to purchase. Practically half grown men. So yeah. And then he likes to play Nerf guns with his older brothers. So I picked him up his own so that he doesn't have to fight with his older brother, which he's the main collector of Nerf guns, 'cause that's his thing. So I got him his own so he doesn't have to fight and he can play along with them, and he has his own. So I got him this Knockout 90 FP Velocity Rival something, and then to go with that I got him the rounds. So this is just 25 rounds that go with it. So I got that for him. And then I got him Nerf, the what are these? Darts. I got him darts to go with another thing that I got him. So I got that because they're into Nerfs now. I don't know why, but they're into Nerfs. He's also into Legos, so I got this little classic Lego thing for him so that on Christmas he's not fighting with the collector. So I have one that collects Nerf gun, and the twins, that is. One collects Nerf gun, and then I have one that collects Lego. So I figured for the little guy I would get him what he wants and then get him one of everybody's stuff so that he is not fighting with those individuals for their stuff, if that makes any sense. I hope I'm making sense. So on his list, and the Nerf gun that he wanted, he wanted the Fortnite one, so I got him this guy right here, and this is gonna be his, and this is the first Nerf gun that he owns. So he's gonna be excited that he gets to have his own Nerf gun. And then I got him this little tiny little the micro ones. This is by X-Shot. It's not actually Nerf, but I saw it and I was like, oh my gosh, that's so cute. So I got that for him. And then he wanted RC cars. So I'm starting him off this small so that he can learn how to operate the thing, because usually he'll say he wants something and then he'll play with it for a little bit and then toss it. So I want him to actually try this size out, and if he really does like RC cars, then I will get him bigger for his birthday, because his birthday is in January. So if he does play with it and stuff, and it's not just gonna be sitting in his room collecting dust, then I'll go ahead and get him the big one for his birthday. But for now, we're starting off small, so I got him that one. And we are down to the wire for the little guy. Oh, he likes to play with Hot Wheels and Matchbox, so I got him a couple. I got him 4, and then I put 2 in his stockings, so for a total of 6. And these were like $1 a piece. So yeah. Moving on to my next guy. Oh, okay, moving on to my next guy. I forgot, I missed something for my daughter, so I'll show you guys that afterwards. So for my next guy, which is Jaxson, he's the eldest, but we're gonna do him. I got him a pack of Nerf darts, because I want to get them their own individual stuff, so that there's no fighting. I'm tired of people fighting. So yeah, I got this for him. Then I got him this volcano experiment thing, because he's into experimenting now, so I just got him that. What else? I got him the same. Okay, so I got him the same situation like his younger brother, because he doesn't own any Nerf guns. The only person that owns Nerf guns is Jordan, and he doesn't like to share. He's my autistic son. So yeah. So the same thing, rival. And then I got him the rounds to go with it. Bless you. I got him the rounds to go with it, and I think he'll enjoy that. And I think he was like the kid that got the least amount of stuff. I don't know how that happened, but he likes Legos, and he has a ton of them. So, because his grandmother usually gets him Legos for Christmas and birthdays and stuff. So I don't really invest in Legos. That's his grandmother's thing. She does for him. So I just got him this little pack right here. This is what he asked for. And I was like, okay, something for him to play with on Christmas morning. But his grandparents are the ones that buy his Lego stuff at Christmas time. And then I also got him this little Star Wars pack. And yeah, I got him this deluxe. It's a game. Over 100 years of cards and fun. So it's a card game. They like to play cards and stuff. So my kids are not picky. My kids don't really, like, my older kids are not into toys anymore. They're more electronics, and they already own tablets and, you know, all the video games and all that. So it's kind of hard to shop for kids that have everything. You know what I mean? So I'm just like up to here, like, what do I buy kids that have a lot of stuff? You know what I mean? Moving on. We have, this is my daughter's gift. I forgot, and it's just the same thing as the little one that I showed you. So it's just Spa Creation Bath Bomb Maker. So it just looks like that, and that's what I got her. And then I only got the twins 2 shirts, so 1 each. Cause I was gonna get them clothes for Christmas, but then I was like, they're teenagers now, so it's kind of hard to shop for clothes for them without them being there, because I bring it home and they're like, I'm not wearing that. You know what I mean? Like, this is kind of iffy because it has, you know, basketball, and I don't know if they're gonna wear this. You know what I mean? And they're in a different school district where kids are much meaner from where we're coming from. So it's a new world and a new space that I'm in. I don't know, you know, when they were younger, you know, I could just take them to the park and be like, okay, I'm being a great mom. Now they're teenagers, and I'm just lost, completely lost, because this is a whole new world that I'm not familiar with. Anyways, I digress. So Jordan, he is my creator. He's autistic, and his mind is just like a very interesting thing to even, he's just a very interesting child. And I'm still trying to figure him out. So he likes Rubik's, and this is the build it and then solve it. So he will enjoy the mess out of this because he gets to create it, and he also gets to spend countless amount of hours trying to figure that out. So I saw that and I was like, that's Jordan. I don't know if you guys saw the vlog couple months back, but he's now into robots. He wants to learn how to build them and all that. So what more perfect gift than to get him a DIY solar Yeti bot. I don't know what this is. I just saw a bot and I was like, Jordan. Next up is solar monster bot. I don't know what any of this stuff is, but I saw it and I was like, okay, Jordan. And I got this from Five Below. Okay, so I saw this at Target. It was like $7.99, and I was like, I figured he would enjoy this. He has a lot of Nerf guns, so it's kind of getting limited on what I can purchase it for him. So this is the a blaster. It comes with the little target situation here. So that's his. And then I got him this. I picked this up on clearance at Target a few months ago, and this is a mega. I think he has this, but if he wants to give it away to someone else, then, but I'm pretty sure he has that, which looks familiar. And then I got him darts, because that's what they were complaining about, is that they don't have any darts, because last Christmas I bought him a big pack of darts, and then this year nobody knows where they are, because nobody tends to want to go find them when they shoot them in places, you know. So stop. So then I got him this one right here. I don't know if he owns it, but if he does, then he has two of it. And then on Christmas I want him to be building something as well, and not just sitting around, you know. So I got him a little Lego situation. And for his game, I got him the Monopoly cash grab situation. They all can play with this, but this is his, because he's a very possessive child. Like, if you say something is his, then he wants it all to himself, and you have to ask him if you can play with it. He's not the child where, you know, people just go and play with stuff. No, he gets upset. So yeah, I got him this, and it's for him to keep in his room, because he does spend majority of his time away to himself in his room. So I want for him to have stuff that, you know, belongs to him, and he doesn't have to come downstairs and ask if he can play. So anyways, guys, that's it. That's all the time I have. I think that's it. That is it. That completed the whole entire what I got my kids for Christmas. I did very well. My entire budget was $200, plus I've been collecting stuff, so I don't even know how much I spent. I want to say at least $500. Plus I gave away stuff for birthdays, and so thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and become a sunshine. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.